We do have, I think, a couple references here to changes in our API, specifically the order management API. We won't go too much in depth into that. Uh, those features are not ones that most users get into, and so we won't bother with going into the details. But essentially, we've added additional information that can be pulled into those APIs, and in this case, specifically the source file. So similarly to the second feature we looked at with design breakdown and accessing source files before moving a quote into the order stage, the source files are now also available through the API.